Hello everybody, I'm Sneha Ogle. Today, let's see how to embed a video in our Moodle course. So first, in YouTube, we should locate the video we wish to embed. For example, I've selected this video, screencast-o-matic. Below the video, we will see the word share. Clicking on this will show us the link to this video. So we will copy it by clicking on the word copy. Once copied, we will close this window. Next, we should already have logged into our Moodle course. It should be open in another window. So I'll go to the Moodle course by clicking here. Now I should decide where I wish to upload this video. So if I select Unit 5 Recombination and Mutants in Bacteriophages, I shall go to the right side where it says Add an Activity or Resource. Clicking on this shows me this dialog box. Over here, I shall click on Page. Then click on Add. Now, the name of the video should be typed. So I shall type screencast-o-matic. Under description, I shall type this video shows you how to create an account in screencast-o-matic. Next, I shall click on this small box saying display description on course page. Then we'll go down. Under content, we see page content. Here we'll click in this corner. Then we will click on this link button. Now here under enter a URL, we'll paste the link we have copied from YouTube. Then we'll click on open in new window. And then we'll click on create link. Now we'll go down and click on save and return to course. Here under the course we will see there is a link to this page. So clicking on this link shows me the page where it says screencast-o-matic and we will see the video embedded. Clicking on this play button will allow the participants to see the video.
Hello everybody, I'm Sneha.
So it's simple, isn't it? Thank you.